Hello again, everybody, and now we're on to nested loops. Found this cool tool I thought I'd try, but it costs 144 bucks a year, so I don't think I'll be able to use it. But uh, let's see here. So today we're talking about, well, you already know about loops, right? So loops are things we do over and over again. Obviously, we code a certain number of times. But today we're going to talk about nested loops, and I know this is a review of a topic we did last year, so it's not new for most of you. So you should be able to peruse right through it. But nested loops, all nested loops are loops inside a loop. So I thought I'd show you on just a couple of examples to remind you. See, in this code right here, to create all these shapes, if we run it, it has one loop in here. This one loop in here makes a triangle, as we can see. It sets a random color. It makes a triangle by drawing 3 sides and turning after each one. And then it turns right 36 degrees. So there's already a loop here, but it says now we can put another loop inside. We're going to nest it inside. See? And just like a bird nests, well, they call it a nest because they sleep inside it. But when something is inside something else, they call it nested inside because it fits right inside. Have you ever seen those nesting dolls? The dolls that fit inside one another and get smaller and smaller and smaller? Those are called nesting dolls because they all fit inside. Well, this is just a loop inside a loop. That's what we call nested loops. And all it does is make whatever's inside this shape, which is looped 3 times to make this shape, we can loop that 10 times to make 10 different triangles. So it's called a nested loop because there's a loop inside of a loop. And that's all nested loops are. So on all these problems, you're going to find that they use loops inside of loops in one way or another to draw shapes or various things. So please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, good luck.